Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a sleepover party to set up tomorrow, and this is just me planning the evening before. I have made a checklist just to make sure I don't forget anything and to stay organized. And I do this for every event that I have. Good afternoon, lovelies. I'm just driving to the event. It was a bit of a drive, but it was really nice. So I finally arrived and I'm just unloading the car, taking out all my props and, just ready to start the setup. So everything's unloaded and inside the house. I'm just taking all the parts out of the boxes for the tippies. I do start off with assembling the tippies first because it does take the longest. So yeah, it's taking me a little bit longer than usual to take all the parts out. Yeah, so that's just me starting to put all the little bits and bobs together. I'm not gonna lie, this does take a lot longer than a normal party setup, like a table setup, only because you just gotta put a lot of parts together. But yeah, and obviously as you can see, I was doing a lot of chatter, so it did take me quite a long time, but obviously at the end of the day, as long as we get there and we achieve the results that we wanted, that is all that matters. So yeah, I'm just building the little tippies. At some point, by the way, I did cut my finger. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I did cut my finger and it did sting, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I managed to get a plaster and just carry the job on. And this one is coming slowly together, as you can see. I just need to cover it up, and that is the little tippy finito. So obviously I've got 2 more to do after this one, and yeah, after that I shall see you on the other side. Finally guys, all 3 tippies are all assembled, and I've done all the beds off camera only because it's just a little boring things you don't want to see. So that's just me trying to make the beds look as perfect as possible. You know, just tucking in the sides and just making sure it's so pretty. It's already looking really nice, and I've not even done any of the decor yet. So yeah, I'm very pleased at this point. 2 hours later, all the balloons are all blown up, all the tippies are done, all the beds are neatly done as well, all the little decor is done. So now I'm just making an arch. The idea I was going for was to kind of make an arch and put it above all 3 tippies, you know, just to give it a pop of colour because they're all white, as you can see. Also, the birthday girl is in love with dinosaurs. I did try to find dinosaur accessories for girls, but it was really hard. So instead I went for a unicorn theme and give it a hint of dinosaur kind of vibe. So that's where these balloons come in. I'm just literally you know, putting all the balloons together. I know some of you are probably thinking that does not look like a dinosaur theme, but honestly all you've got to do is put a bit of leaves and a bit of branches in between all the balloons, and bam, just like that you've got a Jurassic kind of feel. Literally, you'll be surprised how much of a difference a bit of leaves can make to some balloons. As soon as I put the leaves in, the little girl knew. She knew the vibes. She knew exactly what I was trying to go for, and she was really happy because she did get the dinosaur kind of feel that she wanted in the first place. So the fact that I was able to incorporate this was really nice. Yeah, just literally just filling it in with leaves. Literally, look, already it's already looking a lot different than it did before. Doing the setup. It was absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you're alerted whenever I post. And as usual, all my social media will be in the description box below. Thank you very much again. See you later.